Hi, it's your girl Elo for Life, and today I have a great video for you all. So you probably recognize by the title of what this video is all about. It's the battle of the growth serums. Now I've been seeing a couple of growth serums that have been populating or been very popular on Instagram as well as on YouTube. I've been seeing the little commercials or ads for them, and I said, okay, you know what I want to do? I want to go ahead and do the battle of growth serums. So I went out and purchased two Hollywood hair bar from Hollywood Hair. Now I heard this one's real popular, okay? And I also have the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. Now they do have the regular and the extra strength, and I have the extra strength. Now this is 2 floor ounces, and I think this is also 2 floor ounces. They're about the same, as you can see. They are the same size. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to personally, now I bought this with my own money, this is not sponsored, but I wanted to see if they put their money where their mouth is. Now these growth serums are not cheap, okay? So first of all, the Miracle Kaleidoscope, this one right here, I bought this around Mother's Day weekend, or right before Mother's Day. And it came up to, let's see here, came up to $34.99. And that was when it was on sale. So with shipping, I paid a total of $43.49. Now, this did take a couple of weeks to get to me, and I'm not sure which day because I've had these sitting, waiting to do a video on. Now, this is my first time even pulling these out of the package, which is today, right before this video. And then I also have the Hollywood bar, and let me look that up on my computer real quick and let you know how much that one costs. So the Hollywood bar one, I had purchased the very same day that I purchased the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. And I received the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops first. So it didn't take that long to get to me. But Hollywood hair bar took me like, I just received this like what, last week? In the last week. So it took me about what, 2.5, 3 weeks to get to me. So I tried to give it the benefit of the doubt because, you know, the whole COVID situation, things were taking a little bit longer, or packages are getting to people. But this Hollywood hair bar one, okay, this cost me, well, it's $48, okay? So I had a discount coupon. Like I said, I got this around Mother's Day. And it took off $14.40. So with the total order, including the shipping, it was $37.27. That's with the coupon. So without the coupon, you're going to pay roughly about $50 for each one of these. Now, that's a lot of money. That's almost $100, okay? So, me to spend this amount of money on this, I want to see if they're going to put their mouth where they saying this product does. Now, I have seen reviews on this, how people are saying that their hair is growing in places that, you know, where they couldn't get it to grow before, or they had a trouble growing, or maybe they lost some hair or thinning their hair out and it's growing back thick. So, I wanted to do apples to apples right here. Okay, so let's see what it says on the bottle. So for Kaleidoscope, on the Kaleidoscope one, it says it has a special blend of ingredients that repairs damaged hair, stimulates the scalp, and adds moisture to dry hair. Take a before picture to reference your journey. Must be applied 3 to 5 times a week. Apply to the area of thinning or itchy scalp and massage. Do not rinse. Do not squeeze the dropper. Dab only, as squeezing will cause you to use excess product. So you ain't have to use a lot of this. So I'm hoping this product is going to last me for a long time. Expect results in 4 to 6 weeks. Some cases have produced results in as little as 14 days. Okay. I'm going to use this on one side of my head. Now, with the Hollywood hair bar growth serum, it says, always do a patch test 24 hours prior to the application. Apply directly to scalp. Use daily for best results. I've used this daily. Massage serum into the scalp with your fingertips after application for 1 to 3 minutes. Leave serum in. Wash hair once a week or every 2 weeks. Okay. So, I did not read the ingredients. Does this have the ingredients listed? It does, but it's very little. But in here, you can actually go out to the website and look at all the ingredients. But I can tell you that their top ingredient is coconut oil, hemp seed oil, carrot oil, alma, castor oil, tea tree, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And it's manufactured here in the USA. Great. Okay. Their top is some names I cannot. Tea tree and peppermint oil and some aloe leaf, extract, flower oil, and some there's some retinol pomade in there. But I can't read it because it's so small. So what I'm going to do, I had just got done washing my hair, you guys. I just got done freshly washing my hair. I was wearing a ponytail for the past couple of weeks, and now I'm ready to let the ponytail alone for a little bit. So I'm getting ready to go back to wear my wigs. And what I was hoping with this product, and this is tell you why I'm going to get out of this product. What I was hoping with this product is that I got my edges are a little thin. I don't know if you can see that. They're a little, to me, my edges are a little thin, especially when I put my ponytail on. So I'm hoping to, I'm hoping that these products will make my edges thicker. And I also want to see the growth aspect. Now, I do have a little, I did part it down evenly. Because like I said, on one side, I'm going to do one. So on my right side, I'm going to use the Kaleidoscope. And I'm going to follow the directions 3 to 5 times a week, right? So that's pretty much once a day. And this one is saying you need to do this daily. So I'm going to use this one on my left hand side because I want to see which one of these products are the best. Are they doing what they say they're going to do? 4 to 6 weeks. Now, I do have a little gray. I don't know if y'all can see that. My little gray up in there. Okay. So we're going to see if it produces. We're going to see how much gray is growing up out of my head. Okay. So I'm going to do this right now because my hair's been freshly washed. It's clean. I just braided it back. Like I said, I'm getting ready to protective style it with a wig, which I'll be showing you all in one of my next videos. Okay. It's an unboxing of a person on Instagram, the Frontal Queen. Okay, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's my first time ever purchasing a wig from her. And she is bad when it comes to doing wigs and laying them frontals and HD laces down and stuff like that in frontal. So I will be doing. So stay locked. Hit the notification bell so you can see that video. You don't want to miss that video. But anywho, now they said dab this in your hair. So I'm just going to, right hand side, I'm just going to put this down in my parts, okay? Since everything, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a picture of, I'm going to take a picture, if I have some growth, I'm going to go ahead and just take a picture before I actually do my update video on this. And I'm going to come back in 4 weeks. It said 4 to 6 weeks, so it really just depends. I may do 4, I may do 6. But I definitely have to do a follow-up on this. And we're just going to dab and massage this product into your hair. And let it do what it do. Okay? And I like doing it this way because get it all down in there. You can put it down in the crevices of your scalp with the little dropper. That's why I kind of like the dropper. I don't need a lot, but I just need to, 3 to 5 times a week. You can get down in those crevices in the dropper. You see that? And just massage. Or you can also do this once you have blow dried your hair. Okay. Y'all see that? It's on my... It don't feel like anything. Like, it's... Well, I guess because... I don't know. I don't know if I was just expecting for it to have some kind of, like, tingling sensation or whatever. But that's not the case. And I just want to see, especially some growth right in here. But I want to see some growth all over. Now, y'all see my hair in the previous video when I was putting my hair in a ponytail. So this, and then I want to see how long this product lasts, because like I said, $50, it's a lot for some people. And normally I don't spend $50 on no one little product. Hell. Okay. So we did this side. Now we're going to go ahead and do Hollywood Hair Bar on my left side, which is probably to y'all's right in the camera. Could be. Then they say do this daily. So this word kind of worries me. This is what I got. It's gonna, did it say dab? Look at this shit, the dab. Okay. So I'm not gonna squeeze it. I'm just gonna let the drops. I can see that. I'm just gonna let the drops do its thing. I mean, it ain't really nothing. Let me put this in my, so I can see what I'm doing. I have to squeeze it just lightly, you guys, just so it can come out. Okay. Hold on. My aunt's sitting here. I'm going to send her a message back. I'll call you back. Aunt's calling me while I'm videoing. I hate when people call me when I'm videoing. Doing a video. But I'm just putting some drops up in there, all up in my hair. Y'all might think I got a braided, but you can squeeze some drops up in there. And then you just massage it throughout your hair. So you don't need a lot to you don't need a whole lot. Like, you don't need to marinate your hair in it. Okay, just lightly put the drops in there. And we'll see what this does, okay? And get it all in back of my nape. Of course. So, that is that. I didn't want to make this a long video. It's already about, what, 12 minutes. So, this is going to be the quickest video that I do. And y'all stay tuned to my next video. Oh, my next video is going to be on Kirk Frost's lemonade. We're going to see what the verdict is on that too. Because I like trying different things. I like trying different things, y'all. But that is it. So we're going to make do. I'm going to follow the directions exactly what it says on here. 3 to 5 days a week. And probably do 5 days a week with this. Wash my hair. I'll probably wait a couple of weeks. Take these out, then redo my hair. And if I have any significant growth in 2 weeks, then I'm definitely going to take pictures so you all can see which one of these serums are putting their money where they say they gonna do. Okay. So till then, I will see y'all in my next video. God bless, and y'all stay safe out there in these streets, okay? Peace.